Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little channel. We finally got some dry weather, so I'm out. Take this opportunity to have a little last ride for today and try out my new sat-nav, etc. USB charge point.
Turn around when possible. Then at the end of the road turn right.
Yeah, so as you can see, the sat-nav looks really bright at this time. The only downside is when it's got bright sunshine, which I think most sat-navs will do it. I think just get rid of that. Clear, yeah. That's it. Stop the lady from chatting. Yeah, I've been waiting all day to go for a little ride to try all these little action camera mounts out, see if it vibrates or shakes about. But lucky enough, what I can see so far, it's fine. As I always say, happy days. Well, it's kind of nice actually having a bit of a sat-nav, as I've explained before. It's very rare it's going to be on my bike unless I'm going somewhere new to me. I will try my other mounts soon. Just put it on a plus. And also, I think you can see it, hopefully you can, because at this time of night it's very clear and very bright, which is good, which is what I want. And also it can tell you the speed you're doing. Oh, naughty boy. Yeah. Also, I'm going to try out my other camera pointing towards me. Unfortunately, there'll be no sound because the microphone, well, the microphone's in my other helmet at the moment. I've got my best helmet on, my white ones for everyday work one, everyday use. Let's turn this USB on, see what happens. As you can see, the light's on, so we've got power to the sat-nav now. I was going to test how long this battery lasts. Because I've replaced the battery, as you probably already know about. Yeah, quite happy with that. Quite bright. Like I say, it does suffer a bit in the sunshine, but lucky enough you can hear the sat-nav lady guiding you when the sun's too bright. Yeah, that's good. Speedo saying 27, yeah, 24, 25, yeah, it's alright. we're doing. 44 on the sat nav, 45 on the speedo. Just let it register. Yeah, 44, correct. You got to bear in mind, you got to let it go up and down the sat nav satellite to register your speed. Quite happy with that, very pleased with that. I will pull over soon and swap over the other mounts what I've used or designed to use on that same mount. Just want to see if it's just as good. The problem is I'm limited to video time. It's on my camera what I'm recording on now. It lasted around 15 minutes. I've got to look into that, see if I can make it last longer, the videos. Yeah. Well, I will look into that one. Yeah, very good. Very pleased with the sat nav, so that's a bonus. All good fun. We'll find somewhere suitable to change this to my phone. That's an ideal place here, look. Change it to my phone, see how that performs. Just have to bear with me in a minute. Turn that off. Turn it off. Yep. Which one shall I try? My phone or my action camera? I think I'll try my phone first. Can I go down? No, here we go. If I remember rightly, which way does it go? That way. Goes like that. Somebody's singing. Someone's having a good time. Pull that out. I think that comes down, doesn't it? Get confused. Put that one. Put my phone on. Obviously, got to make everything sure. Everything's secured. This one goes down instead of up. Just got to remember all these fittings. That just wants going up a fraction. That's it. Right, let's turn me meter on. Speedometer. I like that feature. Just bear with me. Come on then, today. Turn on location, otherwise it not work properly. Start. Job done. We're ready. I think it's secure. Got to be careful with that one. I don't want to lose my phone, do we? Hopefully my video is still recording. Turn that up a bit. I'm just doing little test runs all on my little GiZMOS. Seems secure, so not wobbling about. Keep coming up with these ideas, aren't I? Not really a big fan of having my phone on the bike, too distracting. And yeah, I just hope and praying that you don't fall off. Very expensive now, phones are. And it looks like it's very secure. I'm not going to go anywhere, I don't think. Yeah, I'm very happy. So on this one action mount, camera mount, I've got lots of opportunity to change all the gizmos. There are all the bulkiness of what you see on these quad locks and phone carriers, etc. I really don't like the look of that lot, to be honest. I just prefer it nice and neat. Oh my god, saying that word again, neat. In fact, Butlins is quite busy. There, we'll go for it. There. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Very secure, that, very secure. Just got one more test to do, but I think I'll put that on a different video. Yeah, might be the best idea. I'm just going to pull over here. I always get stuck behind a van. Diesel van as well, anyway. I'm going to pull up here and change to a different mount. Just one more to do, and that's my action camera to sort out. I can't see that being a problem because that's light as a feather, that is. Very light. God, these bikes is a doddle to turn around. Anyway, as I always say, ride safe, keep smiling. Bye for now.